Ibingafihleki intokozo kumnumzane Jacob Zuma ngokujoyina kaMnumzane Floyd Shivambu eqenjini lomkhonto wesizwe kancane kancane nje ubethuma ngabethula inkulumo yakhe bese eveza ubuqhawe kanye ke nobuhlakani bakhe uFloyd Shivambu bekungathi ukhetha idayimane ematsheni kubo bonke kade ke behleli laphana kulesa sithangamisa bezindaba ngisho nakubona bomkhonto wesizwe ubelokhu nje encome yena yedwa uFloyd Shivambu uze waveza ke nanokuthi ngesikhathi ethi uyayishiya ANC kodwa uthi sayilunga le-ANC noma evula ke elinye iqembu eceleni uthi uFloyd Shivambu kuphela owa understanda leyo tactic. Kanti ke futhi uFloyd Shivambu uphinde ke waveza ukuthi ke bake bahlangana naye President Jacob Zuma ngo-October lingakamenyezelwa nanokumenyezelwa iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe kukhulunywa zona indaba ezingasa umzansi phambili. Ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngawakho emncoma futhi nangobuhlangani.
You don't know. There are politicians and politicians. This comrade I've known from when he was very young in the ANC Youth League. That's when I picked him up that he is a real politician. His politics which I defy as scientific politics. This young man. He's a young man to me, don't worry that he's big than me anymore. Honest politician, honest, clear politically. He takes decisions at the right time for good reasons. And I'm happy that today he told what you all did not know. That when I started, after taking a decision to fight the African National Congress underground, and I had an opportunity to say we needed to come to correct politics about our country and our operations or whatever.